How much does it cost all in to start flying FPV? We're gonna find out in this video. After 40 hours in the PC simulator, if you haven't seen the videos, go check them out. I finally got everything I need to fly in real life. In this video, we're gonna go over everything I decided to purchase, showing what I got, why I got it, and how much. If you're new into the FPV hobby and shopping around for your first time setup, let's get into it. I decided to go with the BetaFPV Air75 V1 to start me off for the first tiny whoop drone. I went with the freestyle edition because I'm most interested in the building dives and freestyle tricks. The Air75 includes extra biprops, screws, along with the USB adapter to plug into the computer. Everything needed, bind and fly right out of the box, and the Air75 V1 came in at $100 for me. I had already bought the RadioMaster Pocket, which was $80 if you saw the unboxing video, plus the 18650 batteries, which were $10. But we will add this into the total. I did get an extra shell for the controller at $15, but I'll install that in a later video. Because the Air75 V2 just came out after I bought everything, I decided to get the V2 frame and canopy. Both are improved versions and both known to break, so I thought it was good to have backups. The 2-pack of frames were $15 and the 5-pack of canopies were $20. Because I was so concerned about replacements of broken parts, I got a set of 4 BetaFPV 22,000 kV 0802 motors. These are exact replacements that I will solder back on because motors do go out. That's completely normal. It's inevitable. The motors were $45 for the set of 4. The batteries I chose were a set of 4 BetaFPV Lava 1s at 480 mAh. The Lava 1s were $30. To charge those batteries, I picked up a WhoopStor V3 charger, which was highly recommended by the community. The charger cost $25. The goggles are BetaFPV VR03s, everything compatible, plug and play. I have no complaints about these because I have no comparisons, but no issues using them or wearing them. I'd even say they're somewhat comfortable, so the VR03s were $70. A few little things that I also picked up that aren't required were a propeller puller, which was honestly a game changer. Without that, things would have been really difficult changing out props and motors. The prop puller was only $15. Also grabbed a lanyard for the controller to hold around my neck, like $6. The bonus things that I won't include in the cost were I 3D printed some accessories, which were extremely helpful. I 3D printed a case for the controller, a case for the drone and batteries. I also made a canopy out of 3D printed flexible material, and also a whole bunch of different styles of controller grips. All in all, not including the 3D printed parts, coming in at roughly $430, maybe a smidge higher with tax or delivery, depending on where you're at. But most of the things I purchased were through Amazon, so just something to consider in your equations when you're shopping around. You could shave off the extras and it would be closer to around $330, but I guarantee you'll need all of those extras, the frames, the canopies, the motors, the propeller puller, all extremely necessary extras. So with that, I hope this video was helpful. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Like, comment, subscribe, but most importantly, never stop evolving.